Let's go.
Oh, there is a fat ass hop. We're about to go on a fucking secret waterfall, bro. Secret waterfall. I'm gonna need all y'all to be quiet. We're approaching close to this wild waterfall in nature, bro. We're gonna sneak up on it like this. Fuck, come along. Don't do this unsupervised. Always have a walking stick, because look at this. One slip, you're breaking your ankle. You good to walk in the water? All right, this is Zach's attempt. Guys, you think we're pansies, but this shit's actually steep. Just look at that. Hey, yo, any ladies see this shit, holler at your boy. No neck. Nobody's at home.
It's honestly so much fun. So nice to just get away from everybody and everything. Enjoy a nice view with a nice friend.
Run! Yo, no way. Crazy, guys. You have to be here. Alright, he's gonna try parkour because he was afraid to get his boots wet. Okay, you got it, My feet got wet. Oh yeah.
Yeah!
Dude, swear to God. Bro. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Don't drop the camera! I'm farting. I'm farting, bro.
I don't know, bro. You're scaring me. What do you rate the trip, Dakota?
Keep it real. About 8 out of 10. Will be cool if we had camping shit. And god damn, that got scary. It's a cool trip. I don't know. I enjoy it. I like it. Better than sitting at home.
Good friends, good memories, good times. There's another breath. Oh, we styling it up, baby. Shout out Dakota for the shoes.
Hell yeah. Back because the sunroof was open.